Welcome back. This video is for agency license holders with the white label upgrade privileges. Now in this video, I'll show you how to rebrand the TV Boss Fire platform and how to use it on your own domain if you wish to. First, you need to click on your name in the upper right corner of your screen and then click on the settings. First thing that you need to do, if you want to use the platform on your own domain name, you need to create a CNAME and point it to tvbossfire.com. Now you can follow this link to learn how to do that. In the tutorial here, we'll show you how to on some of the most commonly used platforms, but the process should be the same for any platform you use to host your domain name. After you've made this setup, wait about 24 hours and then you'll be able to log in using your branded domain. After your settings are propagated, you need to use the live support and ask for the SSL certificate to be installed for your branded domain. After 24 to 48 hours, often, when you access the TV Boss Fire from your branded domain, you can complete the branding settings. It's important that all branding related settings must be done while logged into your branded version. You can also change the icon and all the branding images that you see on the TV Boss Fire platform. You can see all the required images. You should use a 512 by 512 pixel PNG image for the icon. You need to set up a support desk link and email for your support as well. When you finish, click apply. As you can see, all the images are changed and you also can log in using the branded domain. I will have the exact same dashboard that I have here, but I'm on my domain. When you add a sub-user to your agency account, you can give them your branded login URL to access the platform if you wish. It's a very short video, but it's an important one for those with a TV Boss Fire agency license with a white label upgrade. This way, you'll basically hide that you use TV Boss Fire and you can have your branding on the page. I hope it's easy to understand and easy to do. I'll see you in the next video.